how to create avatar on Messenger. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily create avatar on Messenger. So first thing, just head over to your Messenger application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now simply select this menu button at the bottom right corner, and once you're inside here, just select settings. And once you're inside your settings, simply scroll down until you see the option called avatar under preference. So just select this avatar option. So as you can see, I haven't created my avatar, so to do that you just have to click on this make your avatar button over here, and which will take you to this page. So you can basically create your avatar from your selfie as well. So for now I will create manually. So now simply select any of the color tone of your skin tone, select this and choose your hairstyle, and simply click on next. Choose your face width just like this and click on next. And once you do all of that, and once you are finally satisfied, your avatar will be successfully saved to your Messenger, and you can even give it a different clothes just like this and click on save based on your choice. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.